Hello everyone and welcome to Programming for No Technical Roles. My name is Guillermo Valles. My background is in financial analysis and automation in corporate environments, specifically in the real estate field. I have several years of experience teaching beginners and working professionals how they can use Python to lead more productive lives and have a lot more opportunities come their way. So let's go into the overview of the course. So what are the things that you're gonna learn in this course? So this course is divided into 5 sections, and each section contains a project that we're gonna go through together and we're gonna complete by the end of the section. So section number 1, it's about how you can create a Python script and how you can take advantage of Python so you can send automatic email reminders to a group of people. So let's say if you have an email list, you want to send a specific message to that email list, and we're gonna go through how you can do that. The second section is gonna be how we can organize files, and there's 2 ways that we're gonna do that. We're gonna organize files that are a complete mess, and we're gonna organize files that already have a format, but maybe not the format that we want. So we're just gonna change the format to the one that we want. Section number 3, it's going to be comparing 2 different sets of data. So it's going to be comparing the financials of 2 different companies, competitor companies, and then we're going to find some insight and we're going to use the data to tell us what are some of the things that we could do as a company to get past the competition. Section number 4 is generating PDF reports. So how we can use Python to automate PDF reporting. Any type of report that involves PDFs, we can automate it with Python. In this case, it's going to be like a monthly financial report. Section number 5 is making a graphic data storage application. And what we're going to do in this section is we're going to go through how you can use Python and Tkinter to build a graphical application. In this case, what the application will do is you're just going to enter data. You'll have multiple windows and options, and it'll store the data into an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, great. So let's go into the prerequisites for this course. So it's very simple. All you really need is just to have basic Python knowledge or a similar programming language. The code that we're going to be using is fairly simple, so you should not have any trouble with it, and I'm going to explain how it works. So don't worry too much about that. The version that you need for Python, in this case we're going to use Python 3. If you have version 2, you can follow along and you shouldn't have a lot of trouble. However, I would recommend that you use Python 3 just so that you have no problems whatsoever. The idle that we're going to be using is PyCharm and Jupyter Notebooks, but you can use whatever idle is comfortable for you. Now let's go into the goals of the course. So what are the goals? The goals are so you can build practical projects that you can adapt to suit your particular needs. So you have the tools to be able to do that. You'll be able to automate tasks and become more productive as a result of that. You learn important programming concepts while solving real problems. So as we go along and we do these projects, you're going to be learning some very important concepts like object-oriented programming, loops, data types, etc. And lastly, you'll open yourself to new opportunities by knowing how you can apply Python in practical ways to help yourself, help other people, etc. So that's very, very useful. And I've taught this to many other people and they've seen tremendous results. So without further ado, let's begin.